This is the car that the police...
In primetime news this evening, 3 men killed in alleged gun battle with the police.
Stadium disorder sparks safety fears.
And nearly 9 billion in damage, World Bank details Hurricane Melissa's impact. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, thank you so much, Andrea. Well, the National Commercial Bank Financial Group says that it recorded a net profit of $36.9 billion, and it's Wednesday, so I'll give you the latest gas prices.
So who can we blame the football loss on? I'm going to name 3 people. Lug, Chizzy, and Jermaine, you were at the match too?
Yes, I was.
You brought the bad luck?
It's a good thing I was there, because it wasn't a loss. It was a draw, but still not good enough to take us through automatically to the FIFA World Cup. So, heartbreak. However, there is still a chance for the Reggae Boys. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And we also have E-Prime, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So, this evening we're asking, look at this. What's your reaction to the result of the World Cup qualifier between the Reggae Boys and Curaçao?
Okay, share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
I'm looking forward to those comments. But first, the news right after the break.